Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So we're just going to jump right into this nail tutorial. I've already filed down my previous nail design to the clear base, and now I'm applying dehydrator and primer. And now I'm going to go in with the clear acrylic, and I'm going to do my fill in on my pinky nail and also build back up the strength. Like I stated, I filed this down to the clear base, so the clear base is really thin, so I have to build this back up. And I'm doing clear on this one because this is going to be my blinged out nail, and I just like to do blinged out nails on clear nails, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just went ahead and built that nail back up. For my ring fingernail, I'm going to go in with the natural pink acrylic, and I'm doing a glitter ombre. So I'm just going to apply the natural pink on the nail bed area and slightly bring it down the nail. Not too much because we want the tip of the nail to be glitter. And as always, I'm using the number 8 oval Kolinsky brush from Alpha Brush. My favorite size. This is just, I love this brush. So I'm blending the natural pink a little bit over where my natural nail is because I kind of want to cover that up. So once I like that coverage, I'm just going to go in with a tiny bit of clear on the tip, and then we're going in with this beautiful ocean glitter. This is one of my favorite glitters, and this is available at lawncareprettynails.com. We have tons of glitters and crystals and all that jazz, but I love this ocean glitter. It is so pretty. So yeah, I just pick up a tiny bead of clear and then I dip that into the glitter, and that is how I'm picking that up. And I'm just using the tip of the brush to place those glitter pieces the way that I want. Because this is a ombre tip, I want the glitter pieces to be, spaced out to make it look like it's, fading down the nail. So once I have the glitter pieces the way that I like, I'm just going to let that sit and dry, and I'll come back and encapsulate later on. So moving on to the middle finger, I'm just going to cover this with a natural pink. So for those of you who've been following me for a while, you know that my favorite nude acrylic was my pink nude acrylic. That has been my go-to for years, but I am really loving the natural pink. I like that it is not a completely covered pink. It still has some type of translucentness to it, so it grows out really well, and I feel like it just goes with everything. Alright, so now I'm going to swing back to my glitter ombre nails, and we're going to encapsulate these with clear acrylic, only focusing on the tip of the nail because we don't need to cap the natural pink. so this is after all of the acrylic is dry, and I'm just gonna go in with my shaping and filing. And I like to start off with my hand file, just cleaning up the shape and also smoothing over the nail. And then I finish up with this medium grit safety bit around the cuticle area, just to seal off the acrylic around the cuticles and just make it look like it's growing from my finger. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Now I'm applying gel top coat to my middle finger only for right now, and I cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to be doing my 3D art using this white and blue acrylic, and I'm just going to use those to create my 3D roses. And to get this ombre effect, I just pick up a bead of white acrylic and then I dip it into the blue, and that is what gives it that that kind of ombre look to it. Since doing my 10-year challenge nails, I've really fallen back in love with 3D flowers. I used to do them all the time years ago, but I have really grown to like them, so you may be seeing a lot of 3D flowers now. So after that, I am going to be applying my bling on my pinky nail, and I'm using a combination of the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. I get questions all the time about what I use to adhere crystals, and this is it. If you don't have these products, you can try using a clear builder gel and a gel top coat. It should work the same. I can't vouch for any products that I haven't used. I am a diehard Poochie's Bling Gel and Top Coat fan, so this is what I've been using, and my stones do not come off ever. These are the new ocean crystals available at longhairprettynails.com. These are so beautiful. They go so well with the ocean glitter. Just repeat the same thing for my middle fingernail. I'm just going to apply both of those around the flowers. I don't want to get any gel top coat on them because I like the flowers dry. And then I also apply some in the center of that rose here so I can adhere a crystal. And I'm just going to put some crystals around the flowers as well. Alright, so after curing that for 60 seconds, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the gel top coat to the rest of the nails and bring that glitter to life, honey. And I do my final cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I so love how these turned out. These are one of my favorite sets. The blue, the white, the bling, everything is just gorgeous. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.